This conference will now be recorded.
Once again, good evening, everyone. Last class, we started SQL joins related. In the joins, mainly we have inner join and left outer join. So in the real time, most of the cases we are using this inner join and left outer join. And other than this, we have a right outer join and full outer join. So we'll discuss these things today. And then we'll go for assignments on this one, joins related. I will go for it now. So consider we have a table. So here, last class I told you, inner join give the common records between the two tables. Left join, left side all the records. So irrespective of matching with the, I mean, left side, each record check whether the record is there here or not. If it is there, it will get the value. Otherwise, it will get the null value. For 50th department, there is no department here. So here you will get a null value. So this is the left join. Now similar to we have a right join as well. Similar to we have a right join as well. Employee right join DEPT. Employee right join DEPT. So what will happen is this is similar to see first what you have to understand is employee right join with department. So always remember, if it is left join, left side all the data you have to get. If it is right join, right side all the data you have to get. Now so this is 10th. Okay, so how many times it is matched here? Two times. So the output will be, so for suppose here this is the output you want. Okay, so what will happen is always get inner join output. Now right join, right side all the data you want. So right join, right side data DEPT. So DEPT, what is the unmatched records? 60. 60 record is not there. So here you will get a 60 and marketing. Does 60 has any value here? No. So you will get a null value. Okay. So here each record check how many times it is. So you will get this one. So nothing but inner join output only. And right side whatever the data remaining. Okay, which are all unmatched records in the right side. So those records you will get for left side, those tables will be null value. Okay. Now, so there is a one more join, full outer join. Full outer join. So this is the right join, guys. This is the full outer join. Okay. Now, so what will happen is, so here I want all the columns. So always first inner join output. So nothing but all matched records. First you will get this one. Next, in the full outer join, what will happen is left side unmatched records and right side unmatched records. Left side unmatched records is nothing but this one, null. And the right side unmatched records is this one. Okay. So here what you have to understand is, so if anybody ask full outer join, what you have to do is simply you can take inner join output. So whatever the left join unmatched records, you can keep that one. Right side unmatched records, you can keep that one. That is the full outer join. Okay. So this is the full outer join, guys. Now the same thing, observe here. In this case, full outer join, sorry, right join. Nothing but customer details, right join, customer transactions. Okay, so this is the query I'm going to write. Now, what will happen? Now, I always said first to take the inner join output. So in this one, for suppose customer, so here C1, C2, C3, C4. So here for suppose consider I have an extra record C5 which has done some transaction, but the record is not there. Okay, just imagine. Generally, it should not be. Okay. Now, so here, as I said, right join with the customer transactions. Always inner join output will be there. Now, as this is the right join, right side all the data you want. So for right side is the customer transactions. In the customer transactions, which are all unmatched record, this one. So for this CY it doesn't have any record. For C5 it doesn't have any record. Here you can get this one in the right join. The name is not there in the customer table, you will get a null value. Now the same thing in the full outer join. Same thing in the full outer join. First, as I said, always inner join output you will get. Left side, which are all unmatched records. C4 does not have any transaction, which is a unmatched record. So you will get this value. For this, there is no transaction here. So null value. This is left side. Similar way, right side, what is unmatched records? Just now we have written. This is the unmatched records in the right side. So those you will get. Floater join. Now similar example, you can go for here. So here, observe this one. So left join, you have written one example yesterday. So consider this table. I want to write right join table 1, right join table 2. First, always inner join output will be there. So inner join output is what? So this one is matched with 2 times. This one is matched with 2, sorry, this one is matched with 2 times, right? This one is matched with 2 times. This 2 is matched with 2 times. This 3 is matched with any? No. 4 is matched with this one. 6 is matched with no. Sorry, this one 4, right? No. This is the inner join output. Now I want right join. So what will happen is when you do right join, it means right side data all I want. So right side all I want. So 5 does not have anything. So 5 I want 5 because right side I want all the data. So left side it doesn't match anything. It will give the null value. It will give the null value. Now the same thing. Table 1, floater join, table 2. Now in this case, first what will happen? So in this case, full outer join, right? Now first inner join output. So this is the inner join output. Left side, what are the unmatched records? This is not matched with any, and this is not matched with any. So left side unmatched records, this one, 3 null, 6 null. Similar way, similar way, right side, which are all unmatched record, 5. Okay. So this is the full outer join. Now, now consider here. So in this case, now right join will be table 1 right join table 2. Okay. So first inner join output. So what is the inner join output? This one is matched with one time. This one is matched with one time. 2 is matched with 3 times. This 3, this 3, 6. Now, as this is the right join, right side I want all the data. Right side I have one null value. So the output will be one null value. Now the same thing with the full outer join. Okay. So first inner join output you will get, and then left side unmatched records, 2 nulls. So these two related, take 2 nulls. Right side unmatched record, 1 null. So the output will be this one. So this is the full outer join. Okay. Now this is the way you can write inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. Yesterday we have this data. I will show with that. Let's just give me 1 second. Yeah. So this is the joins. Now I want to explain with this one example. So yesterday, those who joined, okay, in the my previous sessions, I explained this one. So whatever the data set I have taken, I am explaining the same thing. Uh, Yesterday we have taken this data set. So connected to this one. So here my database is this one. This is the inner join. Okay. Now the same thing output, observe this one with the left join. So left side all the data I want. Left side all the data means I want all the data, sixth also. So you will get it here. Okay. Similar way for right join, right side all the data. Right side we have a department table. Department table all the data I want. See, right side, don't we have the department here? 60 marketing. I think I'm not inserted this one record. Okay, let me take my department table. It doesn't have this department, so I did not. It did not get insert into. marketing. Okay, now the same thing, now you can see right says that 60, there is no matched department in the, so there is no employee here, so you can see that one. So in the interview they will ask this question, okay, so which department doesn't have any, see, so which department does not have any employees, I can say this one. So in those cases we can use right join like this. So most of the cases we are using left join only. See, this employee left right join with the department is nothing but department left join with employee only. Employee right join with the department is nothing but department left join with employee. Okay, so we can assume that one and understand any scenarios using left join. Now the same thing, if you go for full outer join, now observe here, this is the output of inner join, this is the output of left side unmatched record, and this is the output of right side unmatched records. So this is completely this one joins related, guys. Full outer join one. Okay. Actually, there is a cross join. So in the cross join, what will happen is each record join with all other records. So irrespective of the condition, each record join with all other records. So you can see sales, for suppose, matched with all the records. Next, administration matched with all the records, accounts all with records. So each record join with all other records. So in this case, the record is join with all other records, cross join. Next, this record is join with all other records. So what will happen is total, here we have a, this one we have a 5 records, this one we have a 5 records. Total 6 into 5, 30 records will be there. Okay, 30 records will be there. So like this it will be happen, guys, cross join. Now, so I'm taking one example here. I have a multiple data sets like this. Okay, so before going to this one, just let me tell you one simple example. I have a customer name and his address. Okay, this Srinivas, Hyderabad, Pune, Chennai. Now I have a, this customer has done some transactions. Customer has done some transactions. So customer name, he has done the credit card transaction on so and so date, transaction date. Okay, Srinivas done 10,000 amount so and so date. Okay, 5th May. Similar way, Srinivas has done 15,000 transaction on 6th May. Pani has done 20,000 transactions on 4th May. Similar way, this is the credit card transaction. Now here he has done the debit card also. Okay, debit card transaction. Debit card transactions, debit card transaction date. So he withdraw amount here, debit card amount. Okay, some amount he has withdraw. Now, guess here in the real time, organizing the database is also an important. There is a data modeling team. They are going to order organizing the data. I mean to say structure. So if you observe, guys, I have a Srinivas column. Okay. Now there may be possibility one more Srinivas can be in the Bangalore. Can be in the Bangalore. Now I want to identify the unique record. In this case, cannot be happened. Okay. So the same person can be in, I mean, the same name can be different persons. Okay. That's why to identify this unique record, they are adding one column. Generally, they are adding a ID. This ID column, which will be the unique column, which will be the unique column. Now I can say the Srinivas who is belong to Bangalore, he is the customer ID is C3. Now, if I want any customer details, I can get C3. Now, here also, instead of maintaining the names, so whatever the unique column, so this is the unique key, unique value. Here, instead of this one, they are maintaining the customer ID here. They are maintaining this one customer ID. So instead of like this, so here they are maintaining customer ID in the table. So here C1, C1, okay, C2. So here one more advantage is, or suppose if I store this value, how many characters are required? 8 characters. This is 8 characters. So likewise in the customer table, his transactions are billions of transactions. So 8 characters into billion. So more space is also required. Now the same thing here, consider I have only 2 characters. Whenever I required customer name, simply I can join with this table based on the customer ID and I will get the customer name. So that's why this main organizing the table structure is also very important. Generally, there is a data model, data modeling team. Data modeler will be there. Data modeling team. So what we'll do is they will provide the table names, column names, data types, everything they are going to provide, and you have to use that one. For suppose here, if so here this is one team, they are using this one. These debit card details are maintaining the other team. So these details are present in the other database. So here there should be, for suppose, customer ID. So here I am writing here. So some people can be write like this. Can be like, few people are like, if, see if everybody create their own tables. So few people are writing customer ID like this. Few people are writing customer ID like this. Few people are writing customer ID like this. To make it a standard, to make it a standard, each project related, there will be a data modeling team. There will be a data modeler. What these people will do is they will provide the table names, column names, data types, everything they will provide, and you have to use that one. For suppose if you are using your own, then we have to get the approval from this team. So what these people will do is they will maintain a dictionary. They will maintain the dictionary. What dictionary contains, okay, customer name. So for suppose you have a customer name, so you have to declare like this, customer underscore name. So whoever using this customer table, they have to create like this. For suppose a transaction date, so they are maintaining, okay, in the dictionary, so that you can see here. So when you are newly created a table, you have to refer this dictionary in this Excel. So whatever the predefined standards they are using, the same thing we have to follow in your project, in your table creation and all. Guys, are you able to follow, or is it any confused? Guys, can anyone respond? Are you able to follow or not?
Srinivas, we are able to follow.
Yeah, thank you. So make sure in the organization we have to follow the standards. So once you create, we have to get the approval from the lead or any data modeling team. Boss, I am going to create a table. This is the column name. Say I am using. Is it okay or not? That we have to do now. And also here in the organization, sorry, here in the tables related, to identify the unique record, there will be an ID column generally. Or if any other column, you have to check. So which column we can identify unique column now. So here also, instead of maintaining customer details, I am maintaining simply customer ID like this. So earlier I maintained Srinivas character for 8 characters. Now simply one thing. And also whenever I require, then only I can join with this table. So this customer ID, okay, this is the incremental value. So generally primary key column we can keep. Okay. Now similar way, guys, here I am discussing about the tables. So here I have placed some orders. Consider any Flipkart, Amazon. These tables deals about the customer details. If you observe, this customer ID is the unique column. The customer name, contact name, address, city, postal code, country, like that. Similar way, he has done some transactions. He has placed some orders. So here, instead of maintaining the customer name, they are maintaining the customer ID. For suppose here I want customer name, then what I am doing, this order table, I am joining with the customer table based on the customer ID, then I will get a customer name. So these tables deals about orders. What is the order ID? So 1, 2, 3 sequence number. Who is placing this order? Who is placing this order? Who is going to deliver that one? When he is order, shipping. What is the shipping details? Now here I have a order and order details. For suppose you go to DMart. So you are doing some billing they are providing. So you are consider, okay, not DMart, consider Amazon you are doing. So you placed one order. Under this order, one is mobile you purchased, and then you purchased one laptop, and then you purchased one shirts, two shirts you purchased. These two shirts you purchased. This is one shirt. This is, or one laptop, one this one. So here, so this is considered Srinivas. I placed one order. Okay. Now here this one is order ID. Here this one is order details ID. Entire your order, under this order you have a order details. Each one is also I am going to identify unique one. Okay, order details ID will be generated. So I am maintaining like that. Now, so here if you go for order table, I, I can see what is the order ID, unique number. Who is placing this order? Instead of taking customer name, I am taking customer ID. So which is I have to join with here. Similar way, employee, who is delivering this one? Order date, when is order and shipper. So here, one order ID, I have a multiple order details IDs. Each detail ID is one product. So here you can see product ID, how much quantity. Now, in this also, I am not maintaining the product name. Just I am maintaining the product ID. That's it. Now, once you place the order, there will be some supplier who is going to supply the product. So this is the supplier details. Now here, this is the supplier details. Now this is the product details. So what is the product? Okay, what is the product name? Who is supplying that one? Which category of the product it is? What is the price per unit? How many units it is available? Price per unit. Now he is the shipment details. Who is going to shipping that one? And the employees who is delivering that one. Consider category. Which category of the products it is? Okay. So entire thing I am maintaining different tables. For suppose I want customer name and product name. Okay. For suppose I want customer name and what are the, okay, first let me check with the simple. See, my requirement is I want output. What is the customer name and when he is order? I want customer name when he is order. These two details I want. Okay. Now, where is your customer name? Customer name.
In customers table.
Yeah. Where is your order date? Here. Now we have to check, is there any relation between these two tables? Yes, based on the customer ID. Both are common column. Now I can write a query in such a way that I have to join these two tables. I have to join these two tables based on what? Customer ID. Based on what? Customer ID. Okay. Now, so here, for suppose my requirement is I want customer name and his order uh, and order date. So here I want select star from. So I have a customers. See, in a join orders. I want who is placing order. Only those customer details I want. Who customers who is placing order, those customer details only I want. On C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. Now I want in this C table, I want customer name. And O table, I want order table, I want order date. Here in this case, guys, we have to understand, if I do left join, left side all the records I will get. Whether he is ordered or not, I will get. But my requirement is only who is given order, means the record is present in the customer table and order table. Those records only I want. In those cases, I can use inner join. Now I will take some sample data for this one. Okay, all the tables I have a data. So this is the tables and it is having a data. So I will share this one. Okay, so I'm writing, I'm creating a table. Just guys, it will take 2-3 minutes. Please bear with me. So simply copy and paste. This is categories table. So there are different types of categories are there. Beverages, okay, daily products, meat, produce, seafood. Okay. The data is seems to be Chinese data. Okay, whatever. We want the scenarios only. I have a different customers. So now I will share the, so this data also I am providing. I will share this document, don't worry. You can simply copy and paste. That's it. I have a employees data. So these are all who is delivering the product. You can consider like that. Now here I having a data like this. So whatever the orders they placed, the data will be like this. Okay. Now order details. So here this one. So I'm placing this record. I search in the Google and I got this data. So simply we can use that one. Okay. Some tables are I'm creating with a dummy data. There are DDL commands, DML commands. Still I have to explain. Okay, I will explain in the coming sessions. Meanwhile, go through these joins related. The many products are there. Most of the cases are Chinese characters, Chinese data. This one. Okay, some shippers are there. Okay, I got the data now. So whatever the table names are there, let me create. Let me show you. So these are all the tables. Okay. Now, so guys, my requirement is, what do you want? I want now here. I'm writing a queries. Okay. Okay. Get customer name and when he is order. Get the customer details and when he is order. Customer name and order date. Okay. Now, so customer name I have it here. Order date here I have it here. Now I have to write a query. Select star from. So always habituate nested lines. Customer C inner join orders orders go on C dot on C dot customer ID equal to O dot customer ID. Now, here as I told you in the last class, if I don't specify anything, all you will get. Both the tables, all you will get. But my requirement is in the C table, I want only customer name. In the O table, I want order date. So this is the customer name and this is the order date. So when he is ordered. Now I would like to check. I would like to check is any customer, okay, do one thing. Each customer wise, how many products he ordered? Each customer wise, how many products he ordered? Now I want to check customer name, and then order. I want product details. So here I can get it. Product ID. So when I do order ID, in this order ID, I want products. So here I can get it. But I want customer also. So what I have to do is here I have to join with these three tables. First take the customer. Okay, sorry. Customer ID and then product ID. So that I will get customer ID and product ID, so that I will get each customer what are the products he ordered. To join these two tables, what we have to use order ID. So I am doing this one. Orders table, right? Orders table. So these two tables based on the order ID we can join. So when you are working on these tables related, first we have to get the relation between the two tables. Is there any relation between these two tables? Based on the customer ID, we have a relation. In these two tables, based on the order ID, we have a relation. So getting this relation is very, very important, guys. Order ID. So you got it. Is the table name order underscore details. Now among all, what I want, each customer related. So O table is having customer ID, and then OD table is having product ID. I got it. So I know each customer and what is the product he ordered. Okay. Now my requirement is I want customer name also. I want customer name also. Okay. So in this case, whatever the result here, see, by seeing this one, I can say these are all the product customer and what are the products he ordered. So observe here, I can say, suppose each customer related total number of products. In this one, group by customer ID. I said whenever you are grouping, you have to do aggregation. So here I am writing count of order details, product ID. Now I can say here, okay, customer ID 2, he has ordered 2 products. Customer ID 3, he has ordered 1 product. Customer ID 4, he had ordered 5 products. Here I am unable to understand who is this customer ID. Who is this customer ID? So here what I am doing is, now here also. So customer 90, he placed 3 orders. Now what I want is, I want his name. Then again, I am joining with the customer table. See, guys, always remember, first this output will be executed. On top of this result, this join will be work on C dot customer ID. See, where is customer ID present in O? O dot customer ID equal to C dot customer ID. Now I joined with the customer table, so whatever the customer table columns I can use. So here I can use, instead of this customer, I am using C dot customer name. Okay, so he has ordered 3 products. Now here what I am doing is, I am not able to understand this number. I want this product name. Again, where is my product name? Product name is present here. So here I have a product ID. So what I have to do? I have to join with these 2 tables. Based on what? Product ID. Based on the product ID, I have to join with these 2 tables now. Now observe here. Again I am doing joining. OD dot. So OD dot product ID equal to P dot product ID. Now once I join, I can use all the columns. Among all, I want in this one, I want P dot product name. Now observe the output. Now I can come to know this customer has purchased 3 products. The names. If I want to count, okay, if I want to count, for suppose, count means we have to do group by. Group by of what? Each customer name. So this customer. Now here you have to understand how many products are there. Count of, okay, count of products. You can see customer name and how many products he has purchased. So those are all Chinese names. Ignore, okay. So this one just now you can see 3 products, right? Likewise, we have to join, guys. Likewise, we have to join multiple tables. Now, so my requirement is, so I want some questions, some data like this. Okay, each customer, how many products purchased? How many products ordered? Ordered. Now, okay, next. So if you observe, guys, In this order I quantity, see one order quantity is 3, second order 2. So each customer wise total how many quantity of the products he ordered. So I have to do sum of this one. Total quantity of the products ordered by each customer. Now next I want I want category customer sorry product and its category. So I want these two tables I want to join. I want to know, so here I can see product ID which category belongs to. Now this table level I want to know each category total how many products are there. Now next, okay, shipment employee. Now I want mm, each category total how many products are there. Now for each customer each category related, each customer each category related how many products are purchased, how many products are ordered. I have a different category, so I want to know so and so customer electronics related, for suppose 3 products he ordered. Same customer menswear related 5 products he ordered. Like this I want data. I want data. Okay. Now similar way what we can keep. So country. So we did not discuss it, the window functions, right? Okay. Customer order shipped ID, right? So do this one up to now. Okay, take these 6 examples. Take this one. Take this one as an assignment and complete this one, guys. Tomorrow I will prepare few more queries. Okay. So today go through this one. Prepare the queries. So I will share the this one assignments tomorrow. If possible, I will prepare couple of queries and I will give it to you guys. Okay. So here I am providing the data set. Here I am providing the data set and I am providing this one and I am providing this assignment. Okay, so you just start this one. Tomorrow we'll discuss few more things. So this is for today,
Sure,
guys.
sure,
We'll
Srinivas.
continue tomorrow. Sorry, Monday I will take the next session,
Thank you.
guys. Monday I will take the next session. Thank you, guys.
Sure.
Thanks.
Thank you, Srinivas.